My name is Ruth Mohoro. We run a business with my co-director Peter Monene Kamau called Chillax Zone, which is located along Eastern Bypass within Membley Estate. We do auto carpet cleaning, laundry, car wash, and also we have somewhere people can chill and relax as we wait for the services to be done. Our setup, we have done auto carpet cleaning machine, laundry, and dryer. As per what we have experienced since we started using it, it has a smooth running. During our training, it went on well with even our staff was trained well by Christian and Sam, and we thank God for them. They came along when we needed them. Henson has supported us in many ways, even after sales services, where they are doing our advertisements, and also they always keep on calling to know whether the machine is still intact or any other thing needs to be done with the machine. They are always ready available to help us. I will recommend Henson machines to the other serious laundry businesses because I've worked with them and I've seen their services.